Awungayenzi ungathula. Thula nyanga Mthakathi awuthule baba uzozabaleka.
Uma ngikhuluma nina ngiyathula ngiyanihlonipha. Vele if beni understand le gama elithi cult benyeke nilwelani. Angihambanga nezikhwama zenu esigodlweni. Ukuyeka kwami ukuba inyanga ayivali indumba zenu. Indumba zenu sayivuliwe. Qhubekani nithule nisebenze. Angisho nawo amandla okusebenza. Sebenzani phela beningamanga ngami. Angisi president yezangoma mina. Mina i-decision yami le. Ukuthi ngiyekile ukuba isangoma. Akuhambi nalutho yenu. Nalutho. Ngamazi ukhehlelezi. Kakhulu futhi. Uyayishaya into yakhe uyayenza. Nami la ngiqakeke khona bengimfonela ngiyawazi amandla akhe. Angeke ngize ngikhulume la bese ngiyamgceka ngoba mina ngingasafuni lento. Angina direction okugceka omunye umuntu.
Manje sikodeni wayithatha ke.
Sale nezikhwama.
Zawelida.
Ini?
Ngisacela ukuya. Gogo Sikhothini.
Lokho engakuthatha khehlelezi wawukhona uyakwazi ukuthi ngithathe kanjani nganginikwa uwe vele angizingeni angisanifuni into zeni ayikho inyoka yami ezele efuna ukuthathwa umunye umuntu manje qhubeka nobunyanga phela
ngisacela ukubuya kancane
gogo yini Jehova simakade
imake asike sizwe nangu mama Mthandazo
ubulala uMaria
nangu mama Mthandazo ongena efaka idukwe ake sizwe
asilwanga Sikhothini yini mntanami akulwanga ebe ndingumama Mthandazo kucamagundi yabulela ngenhlonipho andlwanga iculture unyanisile newisile iculture nerhabe iculture neziyoni iculture nobungoma iculture nezango nobugqirha yonke into iculture nje enabantu abadibeneyo ngekwenkolo uyabona uba ndingena ndlwanga camako into endizoyithetha kuwe kudala ndikulandela I think seke nakubhalela ecaleni ngangakubhalela for into embi.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. It seems like bana baningi abathanzi njengoba ugogo Sikhothini uannounce ukuthi soyekile kuba sangoma and ureveal timfihlo kuba sangoma khulume nokuthi lapha esigodlweni ukhuluma nemoya nje akho lutho lapha yana akho into lekhona lokhuluma nayo ukhulumela nje nemoya akhuluma into eningi lati reveal ngokuba sangoma abantu abaningi bakwate kakhulu ngendlela esima especially adonata ngoma njengoba timhlanganyele dathi ngoba yena namhla so decide akwakela so ubona ukuthi ngcono ashicilele liphasi ligama letangoma wathi nje mina angeke ngize ngihlale ngakhuluma iqiniso just because nifuna nginivikele mina angikathathanga lutho leni nje ngicela niphume kimi so uthe khehlele ngalesikhathi baku live abuta uSikhothini wathi manje le ndiyami loyithethe kimi Sikhothini yowenda njani ngayo but tiyaphuma tindzaba so people are now wondering ukuthi gogo Sikhothini uthetheni lapha ku Dr. Khehlelezi nakhona this is so unprofessional uma ngabe uthethe something kuwe is there need ukuthi azakhulume ku live ukuthi lento lo ithethe because it was between the two of them secret yabo noma ngabe uthethe something this is really unprofessional for uKhehlelezi ukuthi am expose ku gogo Sikhothini like this just because so decide akuphenduka and it seems like abantu abaningi abathanzi ukuthi gogo Sikhothini so choose ingosi nemsindisi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.